reach all the way to there. You're going to do. Oh my! That is way too bright. So you're out if you like the color pink. So yeah. You're out if you watched the movie Frozen. One more time, what I'm going to repeat it is you're out if you watched the movie Frozen. The next two ones are going to be if you're in. You're in if you. These are all butter slimes that I have in my little course book bag, so don't blame me. You are in if you love horses. Love them. Not like them, but love them. It's a little bit too bright. It's good. So yeah. You're in if you love peaches. Or if you like girl love. No, it has to be love. Oh. And do not fake on this, guys, because if you fake, you're discounted. I am my corpse decay. You're out. I know it looks bluish, but it's actually purple. So there's a little bit better there. It's a little bit better. So the question for this is, you're out if you if you love grapes, or like grapes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do some more of You're Out if slime games, then comment down below and I will do some more. So my name is Jen. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.